It is found that nitrogen differs from the rest of the elements. It is because of small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy and non-availability of d orbitals with nitrogen that nitrogen differs from the rest of the elements. Now consider nitrogen molecule N2. You know that a triple bond is present between the two nitrogen atoms. The triple bond is quite stronger and hence the bond enthalpy will be very high. Another important point is that the catenation tendency is weaker in nitrogen. It is because the NN single bond is weaker, it is also a small bond. The bond length is small. Since the NN bond is weaker, the catenation tendency is weaker in nitrogen. Nitrogen cannot form d pi p pi multiple bonds. The pi bond which is formed using the d orbital and p orbital is known as d pi p pi bond. If we consider compounds like R3PO, a double bond is present between phosphorus and oxygen. Here you can find a multiple bond which is formed using the d orbital of phosphorus and the p orbital of oxygen. But since nitrogen does not contain d orbitals, it cannot form d pi p pi multiple bonds. So such compounds are not available for nitrogen. Let us now discuss about the reactivity of group 15 elements towards hydrogen. When group 15 elements react with hydrogen, they form compounds like ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stilbene and bismuthane. That is NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3 and BiH3. Among these compounds, ammonia is found to be most basic and BiH3 is found to be the strongest reducing agent. What is it due to? The reason given is that as we move down the group from ammonia to BiH3, the stability of the hydrides decreases, the bond dissociation enthalpy also decreases down the group. So it is because of these two reasons that we say that ammonia is most basic and BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent. Ammonia is found to be associated with a higher boiling point. What is it due to? It is because in ammonia, the different ammonia molecules are highly associated by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding exists in the solid state as well as in the liquid state of ammonia. Since the molecules are highly associated by intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the boiling point of ammonia is comparatively higher. Why hydrogen bonding is present in ammonia? It is because of the small size of nitrogen atom and high electronegativity of nitrogen atom. Reactivity towards oxygen. Group 15 elements react with oxygen and form two different types of oxides, trioxides and pentoxides, of the formula E2O3 and E2O5. For example, you can consider phosphorus trioxide P2O3 and phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. Now, out of trioxide and pentoxide, the pentoxide is found to be more acidic than trioxide. What is the reason? It is because in pentoxide, the element is in a higher oxidation state. So, higher the oxidation state of the element, more acidic will be the oxide. For example, if we consider P2O3 and P2O5, the oxidation state of phosphorus in P2O3 is +3, whereas that in P2O5 it is +5. Since phosphorus is in a higher oxidation state of +5 in P2O5, it is more acidic than P2O3. Next, we shall discuss about the oxides of the rest of the elements. You know that nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals, and we know that non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So N2O3 and P2O3 are acidic in nature. Arsenic and bismuth are alloys. So arsenic oxide as well as bismuth oxide are amphoteric in nature. Now consider the oxide of bismuth, Bi2O3. We know that bismuth is a metal and metal oxides are basic in nature. So Bi2O3 will be basic in nature. Next we shall discuss about the reactivity of group 15 elements towards halogens. When group 15 elements react with a halogen, two different halides are formed, trihalides and pentahalides. of the formula EX3 and EX5. For example, you can consider PCl3 and PCl5, phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. Now, an important point is that nitrogen does not form pentahalide. What is the reason? It is due to the non-availability of d orbitals that nitrogen cannot form pentahalides. Pentahalides are found to be more covalent than trihalides. What is the reason? For example, if we consider PCl3 and PCl5, PCl5 will be more covalent than PCl3. It is because in PCl5, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +5. So it is in a higher oxidation state. Hence, it will be more polarizing and hence PCl5 will be more covalent than PCl3. In PCl3, the oxidation state of phosphorus is only +3. It is in a lower oxidation state. So it will not be, or it will be less polarizing compared to phosphorus under +5 oxidation state. Let us now discuss about reactivity towards metals. Group 15 elements can react with metals like calcium and form compounds like calcium nitride Ca3N2, calcium phosphide Ca3P2. Nitrogen methods of preparation and properties. In the laboratory, nitrogen is prepared by the reaction of ammonium chloride with sodium nitrite. Along with nitrogen, the products obtained are water and sodium chloride. Another method used is thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate, when heated, decomposes to nitrogen, water and chromium trioxide. Very pure nitrogen can be obtained by heating barium azide. BaN3 twice, when heated, decomposes to barium and pure nitrogen. Let us now discuss the various properties of nitrogen. We know that nitrogen is inert because triple bond is present between the two nitrogen atoms present in nitrogen molecule, and the triple bond is stronger, so it will be associated with a very high bond dissociation enthalpy. Nitrogen reacts with metals like lithium, magnesium. When nitrogen reacts with lithium, the product obtained is lithium nitride, whereas when magnesium reacts with nitrogen, the product obtained is magnesium nitride. You know what is Haber process? It is used for the manufacture of ammonia. Ammonia is manufactured by the reaction of nitrogen with hydrogen at a temperature of 773 Kelvin. Nitrogen can react with oxygen and it can form NO. Coming to the uses of nitrogen, the most important uses are: nitrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia. It is also used to provide an inert atmosphere in reactions, and it is also used as a refrigerant.